In the heart of the jungle, there's a little monkey named Momo. Every day, Momo swings from tree to tree, not just for fun, but to paint with the colors of the wind. This isn't your ordinary monkey. No, Momo has a gift, the gift of creativity. With each leap, Momo splashes vibrant colors across the sky, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. From fiery red sunsets to cool blue waterfalls, Momo's world is a canvas, and every day is a chance to create something new. But what makes Momo special isn't just his talent, it's his courage to express it. So, remember, like Momo, don't be afraid to color outside the lines. Let your creativity shine and paint your own world every day. Because in the end, it's not about the picture, but the story you tell.